Hey y'all, I want to do a quick video on how to get your virtual tour or virtual showings from your phone in a video onto Facebook. So first thing I'm going to do here is go to my photos, and I'm going to pull up a video I did earlier today. Since I don't have an actual virtual tour here, I've got my video pulled up here, and I'm going to click the button in the bottom left, the share button with the arrow. So I've clicked on that, and I now have options down here as to where I want to put this. If Facebook does not show up in your options, you'll want to click more and add that as an option. It shows up for me, so I'm going to click Facebook. The default here is to share it to my personal page. If I want to share it to my personal page, I can go ahead and put in the verbiage that I want. I do need to put the brokerage name in my post. So you'll notice that I put courtesy of Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, Kansas City Homes, with the property address. The video is right here. I can click down here and select my privacy on it if I want it public, if I want just my friends to see it. Right now I'm going to do only me. And then I'm going to hit next. If I want it in my news feed, I don't, so I'm going to uncheck that. Actually, I do want it in my newsfeed, excuse me. I don't want it on my story, and that's already unchecked. And I'm ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and hit share, and my video is now posted on Facebook. Now, if you have a business page and you wanna post your video to your business page, you've gotta go about it just a little bit different. You're gonna go to Facebook first, and in Facebook, I'm in my menu here. And I'm going to go down to pages, and I'm going to click on the page that I want to share it to. I'll click on this page, and I'm going to scroll down. Oh, back up, I missed it. Right here to publish. It's right under send message. I'm going to click on publish, and I'm going to type my verbiage. I cheated and typed it before and then copied it. And then I want to add a video. So I'm going to select under add to post, I'm going to click on the picture video. Then I'm going to select photo video. Takes me to my camera roll. I'm going to select the video I want, hit done. And then once I'm happy with this, I'm going to hit the share button. I'm not going to do it here because I don't want to share this on the Blue Valley page. They'll think I'm nuts right now. But that is how you can easily share the virtual tours or showings that you've done on your phone into Facebook. Thanks for joining. See you soon.